And West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has called the NRC exercise as a fiasco. She has claimed that it was carried out by the BJP government in the state with an ulterior motive in mind. That is her tweet on your screens, where she says that the NRC fiasco has exposed all those people who tried to get political mileage out of it. They have a lot to answer to the nation. This is what happens when an act is guided by an ulterior motive rather than the good of the society and the larger interests of the nation.